The Destiny credit card is designed for people with poor or limited credit, offering easy approval without a security deposit. This review explores its features, fees, and overall value in 2026. The Destiny credit card is a powerful unsecured option for rebuilding credit without needing a security deposit. It is specifically designed for those with poor credit or a history of bankruptcy. By reporting to all three major credit bureaus, it ensures your on-time payments directly boost your credit score. If you need a straightforward tool to regain financial stability and improve your rating, this card is a reliable and effective choice. The Destiny credit card has an annual fee of $175 for the first year, $49 thereafter, and a $12.50 monthly fee starting in year 2. It features a 35.90% variable APR for purchases and cash advances, along with fees up to $41 for late or return payments. There is no fee for foreign transactions, making all costs clear for those rebuilding their credit. Reddit users say this card works for building credit if you max it, pay it off monthly, preferably before the statement, and use it for about a year. However, don't apply for other cards during this time and upgrade before the next annual fee, as it's temporary. Overall, it's best for short-term credit building, then switching to a better card. Overall, the Destiny credit card can help build credit, but its high fees and interest rates make it a less attractive option compared to better alternatives. It's best considered only as a last resort. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.